Hey everybody, welcome to RC World. Today, I'm going to be creating a cooling fan for my Redcat Fossa. Because, in my last video, I just put on a new ESC, and ESC tends to get pretty hot while driving, and most brushed ESCs do. So I thought, maybe I should try creating a cooling fan for it with this little cooling fan I have here. And the unique design I'm putting on this is that it's going to be powered by a separate small battery. You can see this is pretty small. I even have a smaller one that I'm going to probably put in there too. That's the same voltage rating. And I also have a charger for it. And these batteries last a long time when they're not used in their drone or, whether they're in. They tend to last a long time. So I'm going to start soldering this right here on video just so you guys can see me soldering it. And then I'm going to tape it up. And then I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to put it inside Redcat Fossa, because as you can see that I'm still doing this other video on what you could do with your old ESC that is broken. Well, this is one tip. I took the switch off the Redcat Fossa, the old ESC, and I used it for this. And I already tested it works. I just need to get the wire soldered because I only have so much wire left on the actual fan unit. By the way, this is a little USB soldering gun. It is about 8 watts. It can be powered from a USB power bank or the wall. I have it plugged into the wall right now for just best performance. I did get it from Micro Center. If you live around here, you probably know what Micro Center is. They had it there. I mean, it's great. I mean, yeah, it smokes a little bit as you can see, but plugs into USB. Here, I'll show you the end of it here. Oops, a little bit zoomed in here. This plugs into the soldering iron, and this plugs into just a USB port. It also comes with a nice little stand with it. And then that's the gun. Try to get that in the shot. Yep, that's the gun. Also, the gun comes with a little cover. Put the cover on after the glue gun is done drying. I recommend putting a tiny fan in front of the did I say glue gun? I'm sorry, guys. Soldering gun. Put a fan in front of the soldering gun if you want it to cool down faster. I just let mine sit there, and I'll come back to it later. And there you go. Comes into the little box right here. I actually keep the box for it because it goes right back. In the box, and it's a good box. It's got all the instructions with it and everything. That's good. See what I got there? And the switch is right here. I'm going to show you a diagram of the connectors here right now. Okay, everyone. Here's the cooling fan. The switch is right here. And I'm going to show you really quick here. There are two plastic pieces glued onto the side so that can help just kind of sit over this, as you can see. And then the battery, oops, the battery fell off. I actually have to use duct tape because this tape isn't that great. But this battery, this is a smaller battery. And I just put it right on the side and it works great. I have to, you can see that some of the tape is starting to fall off the wires, and I have to put the electrical tape back down on there and then put duct tape because this electrical tape is not all that great. But it works pretty good, and it cools down pretty good. I'm satisfied. That's basically how it looks. I mean, don't mind all the tape in the way and the batteries hanging out, but it's very compact, and you don't really notice much. It just kind of looks like a brushless ESC with a fan on it, but it's brushed, so looks pretty good. That's it. Thanks, guys, for watching. Please like and subscribe, and links to my other channels will be down below.